Greetings to all who have a loving heart. While selecting palm nuts for my research, I found 6 types of palm fruit which we will now discuss. The first thing we are going to see is the white palm tree. Palm sung is abundant throughout the tree. The second one we are going to see this the white palm sung, the large size palm sung. Palm sungs are elongated like green bananas. The third thing we are going to look at is the black palm sung, the fleshy palm sung. That's why we choose this type of palm fruit to eat by removing the skin and cutting off the fleshy part and adding sugar. The fourth type we are going to look at is the black palm sung. These types of palm sung have a sweeter taste. The fifth type we are going to look at is the black palm sung. These types of palm sung have a slightly less sweet taste. The sixth type we are going to look at is the black palm sung. These types of palm fruit are not round but slightly tall and long. When eating palm fruit, the palm sung does not go as far as the bottom of the finger and the palm sung is deep. If we are planting these 6 types of palm trees for our home or business, let's see which type of palm tree we can plant and buy.
Like our channel, share, subscribe, comment and click the bell icon to stay up.
I recommend the first and second white variety that I show in this video, because in this we also get a large number of palm sung which taste amazing. This June and July, the white variety, the black variety and all the female trees will bear palm sung fruit. But if you look in the month of December only, the tree that bears fruit twice a year will bear palm sung. Therefore, in the month of December, we should take a note of the tree which gives us palm sung fruit. It will be 10 to 12 years before we know the results of the research. Until then, if we only want a female tree, then as our forefathers said, from the trees that bear fruit twice a year, plant it with a seed facing upwards in the fruit that gives us palm fruit in October. Coconut trees and palm trees are intercrops in groves. If you plant this one nut palm upwards, it will grow into a female tree. A palm tree can be planted 6 feet apart on the edge of the stream. Just to the planting, you don't have to spend any money on fertilizer and the maintenance. If you plant one nut palm fruit that can bear fruit twice a year, after 10 and 12 years you will get an income of 2000 rupees per year from one tree. Thanks and see you again in the next video.